Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make macaron filling. We'll dive into the essential techniques for crafting a truly delightful ganache, ensuring your macarons are perfectly balanced and flavorful. This method focuses on achieving a smooth, stable filling that complements the delicate macaron shells. You'll learn the exact measurements and steps to create a professional quality result every time, making your homemade macarons truly stand out. Before we begin, let's gather our ingredients and equipment. For a classic chocolate ganache, you'll need about 100 grams of good quality chocolate and 100 grams of heavy cream. A kitchen scale is crucial for precise measurements, ensuring the correct ratio. You'll also need a heatproof bowl, a whisk, and a rubber spatula. Having everything prepared beforehand makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's make the ganache. First, gently heat 100 grams of heavy cream in a saucepan until it just starts to simmer around 90 degrees Celsius. Do not boil it. Next, pour the hot cream over 100 grams of finely chopped chocolate in a heatproof bowl. Let it sit undisturbed for about 1 minute, allowing the heat to melt the chocolate. Then, slowly whisk from the center outwards until the mixture is completely smooth and glossy, forming a beautiful emulsion. Once your ganache is smooth, it's time to cool it. Let it sit at room temperature for at least 2 hours or until it reaches a spreadable, pipeable consistency. Avoid refrigerating it too quickly, as this can make it too firm. The perfect texture is like a thick frosting, holding its shape well. Finally, transfer the cooled ganache to a piping bag and pipe a small amount onto the flat side of one macaron shell, then gently sandwich it with another.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.